Welcome back to our Python challenge day 4. So today what we are going to do is find your day of birth. So a program that finds the day you were given birth to. Just like when you enter the day, like your year of birth, you find the day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. So that is a program we're going to write. So, and this is the description of it. And this is the description now. Write a program that finds the day of the week you were born on a given day of birth. So you're writing the date just in this format, and just as we used the module yesterday, we are going to use it again. If you've not watched the yesterday, that's the TP challenge, go back and watch it. It's a very nice one. Yeah, so go ahead and pause the video and give this a try. The first thing I want to do now is to pass the date time, just like we did the last time. I want to pass this date time, and first thing I want to do is to import the datetime module from datetime. Then we want to have date of birth string. Let's say we want to have date of birth like this. Then we want to impute, enter your date of birth. Then we want to give the format for the date of birth we are expecting to the user. So now when we collect the date of birth, we are going back to our try block error right here, and I want to say DOB right here is equals to datetime dot strftime now DOB. Okay, okay. So I'd like to change this to DOB string. Okay, now we are stripping this DOB string. Then we are giving it a format itself. So I'm going to say, okay, just like we did previously on the last in day 3 challenge. All right, then I want to go this way for the day, then the year. So this is the format we are using for this DOB. So now I want to find the day of the week. So I want to find the day of the week. So let's just maximize this Python window so we can see this fully. So I want to find the day of the week right now. The day of week. So I'm going to say day of week is equal to DOB dot strip time again. And now what I want to pick from this strip time is percent %A. So I'm using the strip time %A to get the weekday name itself. Then I want to go ahead and just print out okay, print out. So let's check the printing out format again. You were born on Friday. You were born on, okay, on day of the week. So right. So and any other then except just print out you entered an invalid date. All right, so just take a look at this code now before we run it in a minute. So if you go ahead and run this program now, you are told to enter the date. All right, so I can go ahead now and write the date now. So let's say I'm saying 12 of 12 of 2024. Okay, let me add value error here. Percent A, percent M, percent Y, and alright, we have that quite alright. Going well. So let's just run this again. And I want to say 28 05 1990. Alright. So we have an error right here. Okay, it's alright. So the problem we have here is we're using the same function here, and that is not what it ought to be. This is strftime, like a string then f time, and not the other way around. So we're going to use percent %a again. Nice string quotation right there. Alright, so we are going to run this again. So we're going to see 18, and let's say 5, and let's say 2 or 6. So yeah, you were born on Thursday, and you can say something like, okay, so today is, let me see if to get to this right. So today is now is 29, then right, 29, 09, 2025. You were born on Monday. Yes, this is working quite all right. So now let's take a look at this code. What we did, import Datetime module, get our string, our try block except to undo the error. First, we paste this string collected into a time to know it is a real time in the format that we want it. Then we get a day of the week using strftime. Beware that these two are different. This is strptime, this is strftime. So as you can see, strptime, new date space from a string like time, string, something like that. And if you look at this format using strftime, all right. So that will be all for today's. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you on the 5.